Hello everyone, welcome to Software Learning. Today we are going to learn about parameters and arguments. Inside a function to refer to the value passed as an argument. Parameters are specified within the pair of parentheses in the function definition and are separated by commas. For example, here is a function name as fun. Inside it, inside the parentheses, there is a which is a parameter. Then argument. An argument is a value passed to the function during the function call which is received in corresponding parameters defined in function's header. There is the example of parameters and arguments. Here is a function named as sum. Inside it there are two parameters a and b. Then s equal to a plus b, which is going to the sum of a and b variable values going to inside the s variable. Okay, then we are going to print simply s equal to the value whatever it is. Then we are calling the function sum outside the function, and inside it we are putting x comma y, which are arguments, and then we are just typing x equal to 10, then y equal to 20, which are going to replace a comma b, and you will get output as 30. Let's do this. Def the function name is sum, like this. Inside it say a comma b as a parameter, then colon to end the function header, wait sum, like this. Okay, then inside it say s equal to a plus plus b, like this. Then we are print s. Okay, simply, okay, let's do this. S equal to, like this, put comma. Okay, then we are going to out of the function, then we are going to say giving the out values, say x equal to 10, then y equal to 20, like this. Then we are calling the function sum. Okay, the sum. Inside it I have to put the two arguments, because in function there we are given two parameters. Here this parameters are b of sum, b anything. Okay, like this. To I have to give anything x and y, which are I already as assigned here. Then simply click run button and you will get 30, s equal to 30. Arguments are used to call a function, and there are four main types of defining a function argument: required argument, keyword argument, default argument, variable length argument. Well, let's see required argument example. For example, let's create a function named as area. Inside the parenthesis we put two parameter values, length comma breadth, like this. Then put colon to end the function header. Inside it say a equal to length multiplied by breadth, like this. Then simply print a set of quotes. Inside it a is, like this. Then put comma, then a variable. Okay, then outside the function we have to declare the values, but here I'm just going to call the area function. Inside it I'm just putting the values, say 4 comma 5, and you will see here length equal to 4 and breadth is equal to 5. Okay, then let's run the program and you will see a is 20. Okay, and in the required argument, the arguments are passed to a function in correct positional order. Here, the number of arguments in the function call should exactly match with the number of arguments specified in the function definition. Well, let's see the keyword argument. Here, I'm going to create one more function named as name list like this, name list, and a set of parentheses inside it, say name and age as my parameter. Okay, then put colon to end the function header. Then inside the function say print, inside it name, then put comma, then put the name. Okay, then say print one more time, inside it the set of quotes, inside it say age, then put comma, then the age. Okay, then outside the function, let's call the function name list. Inside it you can call the values, say like this, name equal to, which are the parameters. Okay, the name equal to, inside it saf, then put comma, then age equal to, then age equal to say 80. Okay, keyword arguments are used when a function is called with a long parameter list where most of parameters have default values and we wish to change very few of them. When calling a function, keyword argument specifies both keywords and values. Python allows you to skip arguments, or the order of argument can be changed. The values are not assigned to arguments according to their position but based on their names, but all the keywords arguments should match the parameters in the function definition. For example, here I created a function name as namelist, then a parameters name and age. Okay, then simply I'm using print statement, inside it name, then the parameter name, then age, then a parameter age. Okay, then function calling as a name list, inside it I'm just putting the parameter name equal to the value suf, then the parameter age equal to 18, and you run this code and you will see name suf and age 18. Okay, what if I remove this, say remove this name and age, it automatically takes as name as suf and age as 18, and I can change it by say here name is 18 and age as suf, like this. It won't show any errors, it just take as simple. They look at this, name 18 and age as suf. Default argument. Python allows user to specify function argument that can have default values. This means that a function can be called with favor arguments that it is defined to have. That is, if the function accepts 3 parameters but the function calls provides only 2 arguments, then the third parameters will be assigned the default value. The default value to an argument is provided by using the assignment operator, which is equal to. User can specify a default value for one or more arguments. The default argument must be returned after the non-default argument. That is, not default argument cannot follow default arguments. Well, let's see the default argument example. I'm going to create a function name as display like this. Then inside the parentheses I have to put the parameter values, say name, then age, and let's say one more parameter as designation, for short des, equal to, then inside it say video editor like this, then put colon to end the function header, then inside it say print, inside name equal to, like this, put comma, then the age parameter, then say print, inside it the double quotes say age equal to, that put comma, the age parameter, then say print, inside the double quotes say designation like this, then equal to, then put comma in the des parameter. Then outside the function, let's call the function display like this. Inside it we have to put the argument values, say suf and 18. Okay, let's run this and you will see name equal to suf, age equal to 18, and designation equal to video editor. Variable length argument. In some situation, it is not known in advance how many arguments will be passed to a function. In such cases, Python allows programmers to make function calls with arbitrary number of arguments. When we use arbitrary argument or variable length arguments, then the function definition uses an asterisk before the parameter name. For example, let's create a function name as result like this. Then inside the parenthesis, I'm going to put a parameter as name, then put comma and marks as my one more parameters, and before the marks I'm going to add asterisk or star, then put colon. Inside it say print, then the name as name equal to, then put comma, the name parameter, then print one more time, then say marks equal to, then put comma, the marked parameters. Okay, then outside the function, let's call the function result. Inside it say stuff like this, then put, and the star is used to get number of arguments. For example, say I'm going to add 23, 45, 67 and 78. Okay, and you can see name equal to surf and marks equal to 23, 45, 67 and 78. Let's print it out and you will see surf, then marks equal to a tuple inside it 23, 45, 67 and 78. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe it to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.